Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I thread afro hair using Brazilian wool. So my model today is my almost 3-year-old daughter Chizaram. Chizaram, say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so you guys stick around to see how I get it done. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up button if you enjoy watching these types of video from me. It lets me know the kind of videos you love to see so that I can make more of them, and leave me a comment down below. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just click on that red button down below that says subscribe. It's free, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
So this is the Brazilian wool I'll be using to thread her hair. I bought this for 300 naira from my local supermarket. You can get it from the hairdressing salon or any hair store. So I'm going to start off by running the thread. So, and I'm using a chair. So basically you need something. You can run it through your your railings or whatever. So you see, this is how it looks. So basically I'm just preparing it in the length that I would like the hair to be. So I just take it through the chair, in and out. When I was growing up, when they are threading, you see them putting it on using your elbow. So it's important that you run the thread to prepare it, so that when you're making the hair, it's faster for you. You don't have to after you make one, you go and cut the thread. So this just makes you more organized and helps you prepare what you're doing. So I'll just stop here for now. If I need any more, then then I would run it. So I just use my scissors to snip it off here. And then I just cut it off. Okay. So this is the length. So when I start, even if I see that it's too long, then I'll cut it again in the middle.
Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way they go chat rubbish, the way they go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they better than you, but that's you, they do me, go do you. You cannot kill my joy, moo. I say some people, them they hate on you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way they go chat rubbish, the way they go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they better than you, but that's you, they do me, go do you. You cannot kill my joy, moo. You cannot kill my joy, steal my joy. You never ever stop my joy. Can't have my joy or hide my joy. They really wanna take my joy. When I'm between you mean, every single day they wanna bottom of me. They didn't know me, cause they cannot do me. Jealousy won't affect me like your people. Never envy you, follow you on Insta just to be you. The way they go chat rubbish, the way they go spoil spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you, but that's you they do me, go do you. You cannot steal my joy, and God bless you, they don't want to celebrate you. When you tell them good news, they know one day happy for you. Only God knows what kind of bitterness is this. It's this. Haba, kini mo she fun e o. That you're hitting on my ass like crazy. Kini mo she fun yin o. That you're hitting on my ass like crazy. Kini mo she fun yin o. That you're hitting on my ass like crazy. Kini mo she fun yin o. That you're hitting on me, let me be. Ole pa mi layo. Ole pa mi layo. Chat rubbish, the way that goes spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you, but that's you they do me, go do you. You cannot steal my joy, hey. It's a lie, it's a lie. It's a very, very big lie. I say it's a lie, I say it's a lie. You know if you do, it's a lie. I say it's a lie, I say it's a lie. It's a very, very big lie. I say it's a lie, I say it's a lie. Oluwa God nani, Oluwa ma ṣe, Oluwa ma ṣe. Oh yeah, Oluwa ma ṣe, Oluwa ma ṣe, Oluwa ma ṣe. Oh yeah, Oluwa ma ṣe, Oluwa ma ṣe. Fún mi, fún yín, fún gbogbo wa. Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you, but that's you they do me, go do you. You cannot steal my joy, I say some people, them they hate on you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you, but that's you they do me, go do you. You cannot steal my joy, You cannot steal my joy, steal my joy. You never ever stop my joy. Can't have my joy or hide my joy. They really wanna take my joy. When I'm between you mean, every single day they wanna bottom of me. They didn't know me, cause they cannot do me. Jealousy won't affect me like you. Never envy you, follow you on Insta just to be you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you, but that's you they do me, go do you. You cannot steal my joy, and God bless you, they don't want to celebrate you. When you tell them good news, they know one day happy for you. Only God knows what kind of bitterness is this. It's this. Haba, kini mo she fun e o. That you're hitting on my ass like crazy. Kini mo she fun yin o. That you're hitting on my ass like crazy. Kini mo she fun yin o. That you're hitting on my ass like crazy. Kini mo she fun yin o. That you're hitting on me, let me be. Ole pa mi layo. Ole pa mi layo. I say some people, them envy you, follow you on Insta just to be you. a lie. I say it's a lie. I say it's a lie. It's a very, very biggie, biggie lie. I say it's a lie. I say it's a lie.